Let's make homemade hummus 3 ways. They're all really delicious. Growing up, hummus was always a staple. We always had it, we always made it. And the recipe that I have is so simple and easy. So I made just the basic hummus recipe. You'll just need a handful of ingredients. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. We're also going to use some of the liquid that comes in the can of beans, otherwise known as bean water or aqua faba. Fresh garlic, lemons, salt, and tahini, which is sesame seed butter. You can find all the ingredients and quantities in the description box below. Drain the chickpeas, reserving the liquid. Give the chickpeas a good rinse. Squeeze the lemons for that fresh lemon juice. Into your food processor, add the chickpeas, lemon juice, garlic, salt, tahini, aqua faba, but always we have to taste. Really good. And then somebody else has to taste. So make sure, too much salt, not enough salt, too much lemon, not enough lemon, garlic, whatever, consistency. All those things have to be checked in the process. It's very important business. And then I decided to cook some beets and make a beet hummus. For the beet hummus, we're going to reduce the amount of chickpeas from 2 cans to 1.5 cans. And we'll add 1 cup of cooked beets. Once again, add all the ingredients to the food processor and process until you have a smooth consistency. I decided to make a variation, and this one has sweet potato in it. For the sweet potato hummus, reduce the amount of chickpeas to 1.5 cans. I only have a cup of roasted sweet potatoes. It's about 1 medium-sized potato and 1 smaller potato. And that looks pretty good. Great consistency. That's just what we want. Always have to taste, right? Of course. I'm just gonna take a little bit of each one. Very delicious. Now, let's try the sweet potato hummus. I love that little sweet hint in there. So nice. Now, of course, we have to try the beet hummus. The vegetables make it so light. It's already a pretty light recipe. I don't put any oil in the hummus, and I have tahini, but not a lot of the tahini, so it's a light recipe anyway, but adding the fresh vegetables really brightens it up. So nice. I hope you'll try them all. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or if you make hummus, like what variations you have, how do you mix it up, maybe different spices you use. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.